What's up guys, CC here. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time watching this channel, go ahead and subscribe, join the family. If you're returning, welcome back. Thanks for supporting, we appreciate you. So in today's video, we'll be doing another episode of In the Kitchen with CC. We'll be cooking dinner using the air fryer. This is my first time using one, so let's get started. So I forgot to show you guys the air fryer that she got for Christmas. It's her first time having an air fryer, using one, and it's awesome so far. She did fries and she did wings in it, and we're doing some wings again. So I just put this in just to drum it. Only thing is the size. Now we know that we need a bigger size, so we could just stop frying stuff completely and just live with the air fryer. You can do so much, so we're just excited to explore and do a lot of stuff with it. So this is the rest of the meat that we're gonna put in it. And we're learning that you have to make sure everything is dry. Water is not your friend when you're using the air fryer. So I'll show you guys how they come out when we're finished. And I was supposed to show you guys this microwave. It has a mirror. It's so cool. Just purchased this microwave less than a month ago. It's a local brand, AID. That's a brand here in Freeport, but it's really sleek and nice. Yeah, regular microwave. But I'm excited for this air fryer. Okay, it's 10 minutes later and I have to check on it to try to flip it. Oh yes. Woo. It's back. Okay. I think every 10 minutes you need to flip them. Okay, another 10 minutes. Okay, this is the next 10 minutes in. Awesome, perfect. Came out perfect. She looked good. Now we could take these out. Transfer them to this plate. These are cooked perfectly. I just can't believe it. Looks really good. And this is with no oil, guys. No oil, okay? I'm gonna put the flats in. Once your hand clean, just go in. Key is everything needs to be touching the grill. Okay, so we can't hold too much. Everything needs to be touching the grill. Then we're good to go. So we're gonna try some potatoes, some fries in the air fryer too. So cut them up, put them in water for like 15 to 20 minutes so they could get out most of the starch. And then you're gonna dry them before you put it in the air fryer. Okay guys, so all the meat finished. So I'm setting up to dry these potatoes and then apply the seasoning. So I'm gonna set you guys up so I'll show you. Okay, let's get started. Maybe some paper towel. gonna do a few at a time. Okay, so now that the potato is dry, now we're gonna season it and add the oil. So I think 1 capful should be good for all these. Start with that. Salt. I'm adding this, I don't know. Just want to try something. And then we're just going to mix it around so everything gets coated. And that's all she needs, guys. Okay, since we did our meat first, what I did was just give it a quick wash. And then we need to dry it completely. Okay, so it's good. Put the wrap back in, then we're gonna place our fries, and this is gonna take a while because you gotta make sure everything is laid out and not on top of each other. So this might be 2 batch or 3 batches. 3 space, nothing crowded. Okay, I think that's it. Can't crowd it too much. And this is gonna be, put it in for 10 minutes and then check on it. So this is how the fries look at the first 20 minutes. So we do 20 minutes for the fries instead of 10, because the fries, even though they're wedges, it's not really fries. So we're just gonna flip these. Well, I think the second side is gonna take less though, because it's basically cooked. Now we just need, to finish up properly. This is how the first batch looks. Okay guys, at this point I should have known that the fries needed more oil, because those fries drop on that plate like it was crusty. Okay guys, so this is how the final dish came out. Everything looks so perfect. Like, look at this. For no oil. Okay, we're about to be eating LT 2023. Let me turn the line on. Yes, like, look at that. And the fries, well, I learned something with the fries already. So what I needed to do with the oil is, with the fries, is add more oil. You saw when I put it in the plate and put 1 cap of oil, you probably could have used a cap and a half, or probably 2, because these are wedges instead of fries. And yeah, this was 3 potatoes. So next time I know. But other than that, everything is perfect. I'm gonna enjoy my dinner.